Hi, my name is Jyotika Malhotra and I am an intern at LEXIS and Company. In this video, I'll be talking about the international case Luther vs. Sagor case. The subject matter was conclusiveness of statements by executive, recognition of foreign governments and states. The facts of the case were Luther was a British citizen who used to run a timber industry in Soviet Russia. On 1917, the Russian government nationalized his factory and thereafter Mr. Luther left Russia and went to the UK. In 1920, Mr. Sagor came to an agreement with Russian nationalized business company to buy some timber. The company sent timbers accordingly, but when timbers reached in UK, Mr. Luther claimed that those timbers were his timbers. He pointed that as UK never recognized the government of Russia, as well as Russia wrongfully took over its factory. Therefore, the Civil Escape Court of UK cannot validate the rule of Russian law. The issue arising in the case was the question of whether Russia is recognized by Britain was brought before the King's Bench Division, and how lawful or genuine was the nationalization. The judgment of the court was, the court held that the recognition of the state was retroactive in effect. Thus, the change of government and the delay in recognizing the new government would have no impact before the English courts. It was held that the British government recognized the government of Russia and the retrospective effect will be applicable for that recognition. So, the nationalization by Russia was legal and valid. King's Bench Division considered the following matters: that the British government provided de facto recognition of the present government of Russia, that the recognition of Russia had retrospective effect, therefore the time in question is not a concern, that in the matter of effective relationships and in the question of law, de facto or de jure recognition does not create any real difference. Now, I'll be winding up this video, and if any of you has any questions, please drop them in the comment section. Thank you.